Hi everyone! I finished this journal, Old MacDonald Had a Farm, Little Golden Book. It got pretty chunky. I had to stop putting stuff in it. It's two signatures. I think it comes out to about almost 8 by 6. And it has about, let's see, 116 pages approximately. So yeah, I've got fabric on the cover. This is just cotton fabric. Then I've trimmed him some lace. I've left the back with just the wraparound fabric. Wanted to keep the cover intact. I've used a elastic closure that I have a little daisy on. If it gets too fat, you can always go this way with it. And so, okay, it's very chunky. I've got a pocket right in the front with a tag. This is one of the tags that we did together that has the tuck sewn on the back, and I've got an extra tag in there. We've got some of the designer paper. This kit is Autumn Farms by Diane Shaw at My Old Barn Door on Etsy. There's the original book page. All of the pages are intact, in order. I've got a dictionary page with a little donkey on it. This is a floating pocket. It's got a little tuck spot in the back. It's got a pocket here and a little tuck here and just a little embellishment. This can be moved wherever you want in the journal. Here's some scrapbook paper. Here's one of the banners we made. Another page of the designer paper. Here's our little tip-in with a journaling card. The tip-in is attached to the original pages. And like I said, they're all there and they're in order. This is a corner hugger, and I've just got using that as a tuck spot, front and back. There's a piece from a children's music book and another scrapbook paper. Here's another page from the Autumn Farms kit. Piece of ledger. Another piece from the original Little Golden Book. A little journal card that came with the kit attached to some coffee dyed paper. Here's another journaling spot that is just paper clipped on so it can be moved. Some wood grain scrapbook paper. Here's a CD envelope that we altered with the tag inside that can be journaled on. And I did attach this on 3 sides so there's room for another tuck in the back. There's the center with the piece of lace tied in. This is the original kit page. There's an envelope that I cut from the kit that I've wrapped around on this scrapbook page. Just got some quotes. This one says, "Milk the cow that standeth still," and then I've got a little tag with a cow on it. Those are just tucked in with the envelope flap. There's another piece of coffee dyed paper. On this one, this is our envelope belly band that we did together, and inside I've just got a mini pad. It's just got a couple of pages there. Turkey page. Here's another tip-in with the journaling card. I've put a index card, coffee dyed index card, inside all of the tip-ins. Here's the tag, chicken, I don't remember what I called that, chicken tag, altered paper clip with some stamps and a butterfly, a little bling. the fiber. I've used the jute on top and the jute for the antenna and the butterfly. Another scrapbook page, the book page, the children's book page, and then here's another coffee dyed paper with a pocket that we made out of a number 10 envelope. So there's room for a tuck back here, and there's a little pocket here. I just love that little pig. He's so cute. Okay, this is not the page from the designer kit from Autumn Farms. This is a wraparound number 10 envelope that we've done. It just wraps around the page, gives us a pocket at the top, pocket down here. I've just added some lace and some jute lace on the side, wrapped around, has a card inside, room for another tag at the top. Other side of the dictionary page, baby cows. Here's another tip-in with an index card. That was the first signature. I've added a piece of lace trim in here. Some of it is laying down, some of it's not. I'm not real concerned about it. This is second signature. Here's our first tip-in with the coffee dyed index card. We've got the original book page, dictionary page with turkey on it. Here's the other number 10 envelope. I've got chickens in this pocket, and I've got, it says, if I hadn't started painting, I would have raised chickens in that pocket. This one is not attached, it's just paper clipped on so it can be moved. And scrapbook paper, the Autumn Farms paper, original book page, another corner hugger as a tuck spot with a journal card inside. Same thing here. And these are all blank on the back for journaling. The Bad Bad Black Sheep from the children's book, piece of scrapbook paper, Autumn Farms designer paper. Here's another one of those tags on the journal card. And I think I missed the banner somewhere. I don't remember if I said that or not. It was at the beginning. Another tip-in with the index card and the original page, coffee dyed paper with a tag. Here's another one of those floating journal cards. That's made out of coffee dyed paper. The wood grain scrapbook paper, and this is an envelope that I made out of background page. I don't remember if that came, yeah, I made that envelope because I think the kit comes with background pages and the journaling cards. There's the center of that one, and I have sewn lace to all the designer pages. Here's another CD pocket with the tag inside. They're nice size tags. So, and just like the last one, I did attach it on 3 sides, so there's room for another tuck in the back if you wanted to put more. Another one of the envelope belly bands with a writing card inside, and this fits right nice. It tucks right, very nice right there. But there's still room for more things if you wanted to tuck more things. And journal card, Autumn Farms. Here's another scrapbook page and the children's book. Here's a tag here in the back in this envelope pocket, and then a little tag here. This one is attached on 3 sides, so you can put something larger in the back if you wanted to. The original book page, another tip-in. I just love those cows. Every page in this book just makes me smile. Another page from the designer kit, and here's a banner clip that we did together that I've got on the side. And I think there's one, there should be one in the front here. There it is. Attached, it was on the truck page. And then here's the wraparound pocket with a rooster and journaling cards inside these pockets. I did sew some chicken scratch on the bottom of that one and that one. just a little bit of lace and some jute. And the other dictionary page, the original book page, the song, and the last designer page. And then back here I have another postcard pocket with another tag that has the tuck sewn to it and the tag in the back. So this one was really fun to put together. I know I say that about every single book, but this one would have been so easy. I should have probably made a 3-inch spine and made 3 signatures, because this one really got fat. So, but anyway, this one will be available in my Etsy store if you're interested. So I will link that in the description below. And thanks for coming along for the journey, and thanks for watching my channel. Bye now.